Hey, good morning everyone. This is Tom Espinosa with Hydro Pressure Washing. Today we are doing a commercial building wash for Home Depot. This is a Home Depot located in Long Beach, California. We're doing a surface clean for the apron, concrete apron here at the Home Depot. Right now what you're seeing is surface spinner. Basically running about 3,500 psi through the surface spinner, about 9 gallons a minute at about 270 degrees of steam. So as you can see, we're doing the whole store here from end to end. This is also doing a degum, if you can see some of that gum down there. So listen, if you are a commercial property owner or a property management company and you're looking for a power washing company to handle your commercial cleanup, give us a call. Ask for Tom Espinosa, Hydro Pressure Washing, 562-264-9964. Catch us on the World Wide Web, www.hydropressurewashing.com. Or you can catch us at 877-992-2777. My extension is 101. Ask for me, I'll come out and give you a quote. We can handle all of your degreasing, degumming, and power washing. We also do commercial buildings, surface cleaning. Boy, that steam is really hot. And we also do any type of power washing that you have, warehouses, cold storage. We specialize in marquees. If you have a large marquee, a lighted marquee, we do that. Check one of our videos out on Google, YouTube. Check us out. Give us a call.